Namaskar, I'm Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about section 94 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 94 of the Indian Penal Code is about an act which a person is compelled to do under threat. So will he be liable for any punishment under the Indian Penal Code? So we will understand it today by analyzing section 94 of the Indian Penal Code with examples. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get the notification of all the updates. Friends, I also request you to please visit to our YouTube channel page, because there are lots of categories, lots of playlists over there on different issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC. So please check it out. There are very knowledgeable and informative videos are over there. Now coming back to the topic, under section 94, there is a provision that if somebody compelled to do any criminal act, it will not amount to any offense. However, there are certain conditions and constraints over it. So what is there? So we will understand by reading first the provision under the Bare Act. So the Bare Act, provision under the Bare Act, section 94 says, act to which a person is compelled by threat, except murder and offences against the state punishable with death. Nothing is an offence which is done by a person who is compelled to do it by threat, which is at the time of doing it reasonably causes the apprehension that instant death to that person will otherwise be the consequence. Here it's completely clear that if anything, any criminal act which is done under compulsion or under threat, that if the person is not doing the said thing, there is an apprehension that instant death, he will face the instant death. So if he is doing any act except two things, unless or until he is murdering someone or he is waging war against the state. State here refers to Government of India. So if he is not killing anyone or he is not waging war against the state, other than these two things, if he is doing any other under compulsion, under threat of losing his life, under compulsion and under life threat, then such acts are not liable for any kind of criminal liability. So it is given under section 94 of the Indian Penal Code. Now we will understand it by taking an example. If a gang of dacoits attacked a house and they asked the help of a plumber in breaking the house as well as breaking the cash box, then the plumber would not be liable for any criminal offense as per section 94 of the Indian Penal Code. So here the plumber can use this defense for proving his innocence, because there was an apprehension that instant death, the dacoits can cause instant death to the plumber. So this defense will work in his favor. However, we will take another example. However, because there are certain constraints also. However, if somebody joins a gang of dacoits because they have given him threat that if he don't join his gang, then they will start beating him. So out of fear, he joins the gang and started looting and became an associate of that gang. And then he takes the defense that he joined the gang because there was a threat, then this defense would not work in his favor. So this is all about section 94 of the Indian Penal Code. So if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. And I will be coming again with another video like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.